Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Please like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Well, the question is, what to do in the month of January? For a tablescape, that is. It's too early for hearts and Easter eggs and spring flowers, so I like to do a winter themed table. Today, I've set a blue and white winter tablescape. I'm using vintage dishes along with silver accents and a blue and white color scheme. So let's take a look around the table. For today's winter themed tablescape, I'm using a royal blue tablecloth that I picked up on eBay several years ago. And I'm also going to pair with it my silver chargers. These I got at Dollar Tree. And for the dinner plates, I'm using this vintage set. They're Currier and Ives, and they have the winter scene. I'm going to be using my crystal knife rest today, along with mother of pearl flatware. I picked this up recently at Amazon. For the stemware, I'm using these neat snowflake glasses. My mother got these for me a few years ago at a thrift store. I'm also using my cobalt blue glasses. And I have these new glasses that are iridescent with little beads on them. I think they look like frozen ice. And I got these at Ollie's this year. I'm going to use my little individual butter dishes. These are probably restaurant ware. Because I only have the dinner plates, I'm going to be mixing and matching other blue and white pieces. I have the Johnson Brothers Britain Castle, and I'm going to use those along with some other blue and white pieces. And for the dinner napkins, I'm using the deep royal blue along with these pretty snowflake napkin rings that I picked up on Wayfair a year or two ago. Here in the center of the table, I've used a mercury glass gazing ball. This particular piece is for indoor use. It has a velvet lined bottom, but I thought it would be neat to use in the center. And around it, I've used a glittery foliage and berry vine. I've just zigzagged it around down the center of the table. I found this on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Now I know a lot of people banish glitter from their homes after Christmas, but I don't. I think it's pretty and it reminds me of ice and the winter cold. But I've just zigzagged it down the center of the table. And then I've mixed in some candlesticks. I have these large ones here in the center. They are from the Dollar General store, and I thought those were neat. I've got a pair of those, and then in between those I've put some vintage double arm crystal candlesticks. This pair here are sort of Art Deco. They've got kind of a diamond in the center. I believe I found those at Goodwill. And then I've got another matching set. These sort of have curlicues. They're probably from around the same period, from the 20s to 40s. And those, I believe I picked up at an antique shop. But I thought I would have all the white candles and the candle glow going down the center of the table. And this table too would be great during the holidays. But like I said earlier, I like to do something with a winter theme. Although this year we really haven't had any winter in my part of the South. It's really not been all that cold. Of course, I know our friends up north have had some record snows, but here in West Tennessee, we haven't had any snow this year. And I'm okay with it. I've got pictures. Here at this corner, I have a teapot. This is a Locks of London teapot. Mother found me this at a thrift store. And here with it, I've got a sugar and creamer. Now, they don't match. They're the blue willow pattern, but it just goes to show how all the patterns will mix and mingle together just fine. But later, if I find more of this Currier and Ives set, I will add to it. But I thought it would be pretty to use. I have actually a lot of blue and white that I could have used, but since this was a winter scene, I wanted to use those today. Here I've got a glass gravy boat with a little glass ladle. And like I said earlier, the flatware I got this year from Amazon. This is the white, but they also had a champagne that was very pretty too. But I thought I would get more use out of the white, especially with blue and white things. But I like the little accent here on the handle. It kind of looks vintage. Of course, you can get vintage sets. But I always wanted some mother of pearl. I have some mother of pearl items, accessory items that I collect, so I always wanted a set. Here at this end, I've got another thrift store find. This is a heavy crystal pitcher. And I think all the clear glass and crystal are icy and pretty for the wintertime to use with the blue and white. I just love those napkin rings. I think they're perfect with a little snowflake and to go with my snowflake glasses. Here at this corner of the table, I have a silver piece. This is a chafing dish. And that too was a thrift store find. The majority of this table is thrift store finds. And you guys know I like to use a silent butler. This one is a silver one. It has a lady, sort of like a cameo of a lady. And I don't have a lot of metal ones. Most of my silent butlers are porcelain. But I do have, 4 or 5 that are various metals. This one being a silver plate, and then I think I've got maybe a bronze and cloisonne and a few different ones. But you guys know I have a collection of these, like I always say. And for people not familiar with them, because I always get questions, what are they, whenever I post. And they are basically dustpans to brush your crumbs into from the table. But they're sort of a forgotten item that people don't use anymore. At this corner of the table, I'm using my round Fostoria cake plate, and on top I've set this cloche or dome. I love to pair them with my cake stands, and this one just fit perfectly. But I know lots of people are putting out their Valentines and their hearts and their, even some people are putting out Easter bunnies, but I don't get in a rush. I like to enjoy the season, and January is a good time to continue the winter theme. And I'll be doing my bunnies later on and my hearts in February. But for today, I'm still sticking with the winter theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.